Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about validate data. Let's get started. First, click on a cell that required data validation. Then click on the Data tab. Click on the arrow beside this button within the Data Tools group. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Data Validation. A pop-up window will appear. Now, within the Settings tab and under Allow, click to select whole number. Then under Data, click Greater Than. And under Minimum, type a 0. Next, click OK. Now, the data validation rule is created for cell D52. Only whole number, and the value greater than 0 will be accepted by cell D52. I will test the cell, and input a value with decimal place. A rejection pop-up message is appeared. Click Cancel to close the message box and try again with the valid data. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.